Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use grids in Webflow for your website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. Here you will be able to see all of the websites that we have created in Webflow, and here if you want you can even go ahead and click the button to go ahead and create a new website. But guys, for today's video I'm going to be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up by clicking on Open Designer right here. After clicking on Open Designer guys, now this will open up my website in the page, and as you can see here is my website, and if you look at the left side of the screen you will see all of the options that you have for managing and viewing your website. You have your components, you have adding elements, you have your settings option and so on. And if you look at the right side of the screen you will see all the options that you have for editing and styling your pages and elements. So you have the style option, the element settings and so on. So guys, the first thing we have to do is to go ahead and add a grid to the website. And how do you do that guys? Well, it's very easy. All you want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and find the plus button that appears. This is the called Add Elements button. Go ahead and click on it guys, and now this will open up this new tab where you have multiple elements that you can add, and you will see that in the first option under layout, one of them will be grid. So let's go ahead guys and click on grid. And as you can see, now this will automatically add the grid to our website. So now we can get started with editing it. You can resize it if you want and so on. You can put whatever you want into your grids. And after you're satisfied guys and you have finished with editing your grids, just go ahead and click on done right here and you will successfully add the grid to your website, and now it will be a part of your page. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.